Stenciling a concrete surface like this porch is a simple project that takes very few tools but a lot of attention to detail. The stencil kit we're using includes two types, a smaller version for edges and a larger version for the wide open spaces. Registration marks on the edges ensure proper alignment for the next application. We start in the middle of the space and work to the edges. The paint we're using is a one-part epoxy coating designed specifically for concrete. Once the stencil is secured in place with tape, the paint is rolled over the surface in one direction. Now, to avoid bleeding through under the stencil, it's important to remove the excess paint from your roller each time you dip it in the tray. It's also a good idea to wipe the paint off the underside of the stencil after each application. The key to success seems to be taking your time while applying, removing, and painting the stencil. But the results are pretty impressive.